been an odd, tiring day. I seem to have dropped my shaft. Right now we're currently removing the chrome purple off of the Phantom that you guys have seen. This car was wild. It was meant to be wild. Now we're gonna tone it down a little bit, make it more driver friendly.
This car came in for a suspension problem, which you can see the front suspension is all completely to the ground, and this car has air shocks, so they're common to fail. It's got like 30,000 miles, so it's very normal for these cars. So we're gonna raise it up and see what we can do, and then afterwards we're gonna do a whole inspection, brakes and service, and this car should be back to 100%.
I don't think you're worth the trouble. I think it's over, then you make it double. Perhaps I should've known from the get-go, but some things are just too hard to let go. But I don't think you're worth the trouble anymore.
So this Bentley came in because it was completely, the front end was completely on the ground because the air shocks were bad. So we do have the new one here today, which is that one, and they're in that box. As you can see, it comes very professionally in a box. That's how Bentley delivers these shocks. So we're gonna put it on now and test the car.
For the green light from the start, this was an uphill fight. I was at the front, kicking all the way. Yeah. In so many ways, it didn't feel right. And no longer will you keep me up all night. No longer so true, no longer so blind.
Yeah, so he was driving and he hit a pothole and it blew out the front suspension.
This is the rotor, the old rotor she has, already touching metal to metal. As you can see, we cannot cut it anymore, so we're gonna do brand new rotors and pads.
So we have an Infinity here. It came in metal to metal, meaning there's absolutely no brakes on the car. He took it too far. So now we're doing a brake job on this car. We're replacing the front pads, the discs, and also the rear pads and discs.
if you don't do it harder or worse. That's too close, too close, too close, too close, too close. That sucks.
Okay, I'm on the phone with him right now.
You're dead,
so as soon as I get off
You're
the
dead.
phone.
I'm telling you right now. He's very mad. He's the maddest he's ever been. We finally got Moses mad.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't get out. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on. This was gonna go in your head.
What the hell?
This was gonna go in your head.
Hey, that's not nice, man.
This is the heavy. It's like 4 wheel caps.
Oh!
Dad, hide your face. Hide your face.
Backboard. Kobe.
He's very mad, Vic. I'm telling you right now. His face is still like that.
He's
He's very mad. Dad, block your face. Dad, block your face. Oh. Yeah, give me one. 1 second. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. He fell. He fell.
Cleaning up the matte white drop head that we just finished up. This one, as you guys have seen, went from the purple chrome and green to full satin white with a little bit of gloss black. We also changed up the wheels, went with some custom Forgiato wheels with the Rolls-Royce factory caps. Just made it a little bit more classy, kept the green interior. I think it looks really cool. It's a big convertible car, and in white it looks even bigger.
Here we have the satin white Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead. This was previously the chrome purple, the satin white, and the mint green interior, along with some black, shiny black accents. Looks really good. Also the 24-inch Forgiatos.
Alright guys, we finished up changing the color on the Phantom Drophead. As you see now behind me, it is full satin pearl white. It's a classy color, it's a really unique color. It goes really good with the green interior. We also replaced the wheels with 24-inch Forgiato wheels, utilizing the factory caps. Altogether, it's much classier, more drivable. You guys already saw the purple chrome, the Joker edition. That thing was, I mean, it was just tough to drive. Too many people were trying to crash into you just to take a picture, asking questions. It was fun while it lasted, but now it's satin pearl white. It looks beautiful, and the customer is gonna come get it tomorrow. So on to the next one.
Yeah.